Shylock says, some men there are love not a gaping pig, some that are mad if they behold a cat, others when the bagpipe sings are the nose, cannot contain themselves. Shylock says that in this world there are different type of people and they have the different views, likings and dislikings. A particular thing can be liked by a particular person, but the same thing cannot be liked by another person. With these lines, Shylock wants to explain the present scenario of the court. Actually, in present time, the people who are standing in the court accept Shylock. They think that 3000 ducats is a greater amount than the rotten flesh of Antonio. But Shylock says that liking and disliking may be different. And he says, some men there are love not a gaping pig. There are some men who do not like a roasted pig's head with its mouth open. Gaping pig means pig's head with its mouth open. Actually, whenever we roast a pig's head or a pig, its mouth opens. Some that are mad when they behold a cat. Means some that are mad when they behold a cat. He means to say some people go mad if they see a cat. Means when they see a cat. Others, when the bagpipe sings or the nose cannot contain themselves. There are some other people who cannot control themselves upon hearing the shrill sound of bagpipe. Bagpipe is a musical instrument. So he is saying there are some people who cannot control themselves upon hearing the shrill sound of bagpipe. With these lines, Shylock means to say that liking and disliking of every person may be different. He means to say, for affection, mistress of passion. Affection means preference, liking. Mistress of passion, that is known as the mistress, ruler of the passion, sways it to the mood of what it likes or dislikes. He means to say personal preference, personal likings, rules are emotions that governs our emotions, rules our emotions, and it directs to our liking and disliking something. In other words, he means to say personal preference rules our emotion and directs it to like or dislike something. Now for your answer, as there is no firm reason to be rendered. He is saying now to answer your question. What was the question? The question was that why Shylock needs a rotten flesh rather than 3000 ducats. So he is saying to answer your question, as no clear reason can be given. Means to answer your question, as there is no firm reason to be rendered. Reason means answer, render means to be given. Render means given, means as there is no firm answer to be given, why he cannot abide a gaping pig, why a person cannot tolerate a gaping pig. He is saying to answer your question, I may say, as there is no firm answer to give, why a particular person cannot abide a gaping pig, cannot tolerate a gaping pig, why he a harmless necessary cat, and why a person cannot like a harmless cat. Harmless cat means the cat which doesn't give any harm to anyone. Why he a woolen bagpipe, and why a person don't like a woolen covered bagpipe. What of force must yield to such inevitable shame as to offend himself being offended. He means to say, but that he is forced to react in such a shameful manner. Of force must yield to such inevitable shame. Inevitable shame is shameful manner that he must give offense to others, that he is compelled to offend other person, being offended by other person. I mean to say that if any person is behaving in such a shameful way, in such a cruel way, and he is compelled to show his cruelty to others, that same person might have been offended by others. And with the example, I mean to say, right now, Shylock is behaving in a shameful manner. Shylock is behaving very cruelly, and he is determined to have 1 pound flesh of Antonio's body. So he is doing so because he was earlier offended. He was earlier offended by Antonio. As I want to remind you, Antonio has insulted Shylock many times in front of all on the Rialto. So Shylock is saying, I am the person who has been offended, so I want to offend other, that is Antonio. So can I give no reason? Nor I will not. That's why Antonio is saying, so I cannot give any reason for my demand, nor will I give any other reason than that. I do not want to give any other reason than have a lost hate and certain loathing I wear Antonio. Means I want to give only one and one reason, that is, I have a deep rooted hatred, disliking for Antonio in my heart. Means, in other words, he means to say, I can give only and only one reason for my demand, and that is, I have hatred and disliking in my heart for Antonio. Certain loathing, loathing means disliking. I bear means I have for Antonio. That I follow thus a losing suit against him, and that's why I have filed a losing case. I am pursuing a losing case in this court. Why he is saying a losing case? Because according to the other people, 3000 ducat is a huge amount, and it is nothing in front of, 1 pound of flesh is nothing in front of 3000 ducats. And by getting 1 pound of flesh, Shylock will not get any benefit economically. Economically, he will be a loser. He will only satisfy his anger. He will only satisfy his jealousy against Antonio. So he is saying, I follow thus a losing suit against him. Are you answered? Now he is saying to Duke, are you answered? Means, did you get the answer of your question? I think you have understood it. And I have made a video of the same content in Hindi also. If you like, you may subscribe my channel and watch it.